Good day everyone. In today's video we are going to attempt to find the ratio of the area of the shaded region to the area of the square. It's pretty easy to find the area of a square. The square is actually w, x, y, z, and the area of a square is L square, and that is length times length. So the length of the square is actually 20 centimeters we're given. So this is 20 times 20, and this is going to give us 400 centimeter squared. Now that we have the area of the square, let us proceed to find the area of the shaded region. Okay, to get the area of the shaded region, the first thing I'm going to address is to tell us that each angle in a square is 90 degrees. There are 4 angles in a square and each of them is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. Here is also 90 degrees. Here is 90 degrees. And here is also 90 degrees. So what I will do right now is to trace out. I'm going to trace out the sector. Here is the sector. So let me redraw the sector. So if I redraw the sector now, I'm going to have something like this, and like this. So this is 20 centimeters. So I've established that here is 90 degrees. So this is W, this is Y, this is Z. So we are told that point Z, WY is an arc of the circle. That's what we are told in the question. And we center Z. So Z is the center. So this is like a sector. This is a sector. Okay, YWZ is the radius of the circle, and ZY is a radius. So area of a sector is actually theta over 360 times pi r squared. Okay, so the theta here is 90 degrees. That's the angle divided by 360 and times pi, and our r is actually 20. The radius is 20 squared. So our final answer will be 1 divided by 4 multiplied by pi multiplied by 400, and 4 in 400, that will be 100 times pi. That's going to give us 100 pi. So the area of the sector is 100 pi. Now we're going to proceed to find the area of the semicircle. The semicircle is very obvious. Follow my blue ink. So here is the semicircle. Just follow my blue ink. Alright, so we have that. Good. So the diameter of the semicircle is 20 centimeters. Okay, but we actually need the radius. So the radius is going to be 10. Diameter divided by 2 will give us radius. So what's the formula for the area of a semicircle? So the area of a semicircle is half of the area of a circle. That is half of pi r squared. So we have 1 over 2 times pi. Our r, the radius, is actually 10 squared. So this is going to give us 1 over 2 times pi multiplied by 10 squared is 100. 2 here 1, here 50. So the area of the semicircle is actually 50 pi. So we proceed to finding the area of the shaded region, which is the area of the sector negative area of the semicircle. So that's going to be 100 pi negative 50 pi, and that is going to give us 50 pi. So what's now the ratio of the area of the shaded region to the area of the square? So that's going to be 50 pi ratio 400 centimeters squared. Okay, so divide through by 50, which is the smallest. Then we're going to have pi ratio 400 divided by 50. That's going to give us 8. Therefore, the ratio of the area of the shaded region to the area of the square is pi ratio 8. Thank you so much guys for seeing my video.